now I will tell a story of my book class 4. My book From my book class 4. Now I will tell a story. The name of the story is The Hero of Lesson 4. Okay, so listen the story, students, very carefully. Okay, the hero. The hero, it is the name of the story. He then in the next page the story is, you can see that the story start from here. So in this story it was telling that last week summer vacation I visited my uncle. Last summer vacation he used to visited. So in the last summer vacation I visited my uncle's place at Simultola. Okay, so in the last summer vacation he visited his uncle's place at Simultola, which is situated at Simultola. Okay, so in the last summer vacation a boy was visited his uncle's place, and this uncle's house is at Simultola. Okay, so I was not so I was so in the last summer vacation, then the boy visited his uncle's house and it was situated at Simultola. Okay, so and after that the boy was bored during the afternoon. When the boy was he visited his uncle's place at Simultola. After living there in his uncle's house, he become bored during the afternoon. Okay, he feel bored during the afternoon. So every afternoon he used to play with his friends. Okay, so the boy, as he was bored, become bored, feeling bored during afternoon. So in every afternoon with his friends he played football. Okay, or cricket, but he never got a chance to play with them. Okay, so in every afternoon his friends, as during the afternoon he was feeling bored, so he saw that his friends was playing football or cricket, but he never got a chance to play with them. Okay, so the boy was telling that I never got a chance to play with my friends. I was not an important player to them, because the boy was not an important player to their friends, so he never got a chance to play with his friends and he feel bored at his uncle's house. So he felt so the boy felt himself to be an insignificant as an ant. Okay, so the boy felt himself as an insignificant. Insignificant means unimportant, as he was not able to play with anyone, as he was not able to play with his friends. So he thought himself to be an insignificant, unimportant person. Okay, as like an ant, because an ant was also not able to do anything. Like that, the boy was also thinking like an unimportant person. So this is the thing what the boy is telling in this page, in this story. Now it was telling that one day a miracle happened. Miracle means an unexpected incident, an unexpected thing happened one day. Okay, so one day what happened, in the next page I will now tell you. So one day So let's continue the story that one day, one afternoon, my cousin came to me and said, we'll go to Burir Mart today. One afternoon, one day a miracle happened, and the miracle was that his cousin came to him and said that we'll go to Burir Mart today. We have a kabaddi match there. Last year's winners from Motiganj are our opponents. Okay, so they told that last year from Motiganj, they are the opponents. So we will go to Burir Mart to play there. Okay, so they told that they will go to Burir Mart to play there, and last year Motiganj was his opponents. Okay, so hurry, we must be there by 4 o'clock. So his friends and they told that be hurry, we'll go at 4 o'clock. Okay, so they said that be hurry, he my friend, we will all go there to play. Okay, now it was telling that, but what will be my role there? I was anxious, and the boy was told that what will be his role. Then what will be his role? Then the boy told that my role is you will be the support. So his friend told that you will be the supporters of our player. Okay, so oh, that's fine then, I replied with great relief. So the boy told that I will be the supporter. Then he became very happy and he get relief. Then there was already a large crowd at Burir Mart. I quietly took a place among the crowd. All on a sudden, my cousin came and gripped my hand tightly. So what happened? After going to Burir Mart, he saw a large couch which took place among the boy took place among the crowd. On all of a sudden, his cousin came and take his hand and caught his hand tightly, and his friend told that, hey, what's wrong? I asked. Nasir's mother is ill, he hasn't come, so we will have to play for us. So the boy told that his friend told that Nasir's mother is having ill, he can't able to come, our player can't able to come, so in that on his behalf you have to play with us. Okay, so go and play with us. His friend came and told him. His cousin came and told her. I was stunned, my heart was beating like a drum, I started stammering. So what happened? The boy became surprised, his heart was beating. He thinking that what I will do now, I will go to play with my friends or not. So it is a matter of prestige for our village. So Appu, please get ready to play. So the friend requested him continuously. So it's a matter of prestige. So please go and join with us. My cousin pulled me to the playground. My legs started shaking. The large crowd cheered, but I could hear only the sound of my own heartbeat. Okay, so the boy is telling that what he was feeling after going to play with them. Okay, so in the next page you can see that the story is continuing. There is some true false, fill in the blanks you have to do. Now in the next page you saw that the story is continuing. For the first few rounds we were very much on a high. We clapped, we shouted, but our opponents played really well. One by one our players were caught. Motiganj's team was close to victory. Our supporters were losing their hope. I was the only member still playing. This time it was my turn. I took a deep breath and murmured kabaddi kabaddi. I moved into their part of the ground as expected. They caught me easily. I tried to jump but fell on the ground. All of them piled upon me. I could not move. I felt helpless. Okay, so here it was telling that when the boy was joined with them to play, he then his opponents, then his opposite supporter was playing very well, and one by one their players was getting caught. But Motigon's team was close to victory. But the Motigon's team was started winning, but his supporters were losing hope, and then the boy was the only member. He was still playing. This time it was the boy's turn. Then the boy took a deep breath and murmured kabaddi kabaddi. I moved into their Then the boy moved into their part of the ground as expected. They caught me easily. I tried to jump. The boy Then what happened? Suddenly the opposite team caught him, but he tried to jump but fell on the ground. But the boy tried to jump but fell on the ground. All of them then piled upon him, means all of them then fall upon the boy. The boy can't able to move. Then the boy felt helpless. At that moment he felt a severe bite on his leg. He had never experienced such a painful bite before. It must be an ant, I thought. The boy thought that it will be a painful bite, but the bite must be of an ant. To save myself from the bites, the boy gave a jerk. Oops, my opponent didn't expect such a jerk from an almost defeated player. Now what happened when the boy gave the jerk after get biting of ant? He get unexpected. The boy gave a jerk, and that jerk was unexpected. And that jerk was unexpected. Okay, so he unexpected. The boy gave such a jerk that such jerk was unexpected. The opposite player can't think that the player who was already defeated can able to give such a unexpected jerk. So the opposite player become surprised by looking the boy. Now in the next page you can see that the boy was telling that I am not sure what happened after this. Suddenly I heard that the joy from our supporters, their cheers for Appu. Ho hip hip hooray, they shouted. Appu, your jump has won the match for us. So they are all surprised. Was it me or was it the ant? Now in the last section it was telling that at last they become, the boy and his players, his friends, all become win, and they become very much happy. They was telling that thank you Appu for your jump. We all win the match, so very much thank you. Okay, hip hooray, cheers, they were telling with them. And the boy ultimately gets surprised because he think that because he didn't able to know that how it got happened that we all got win after such a jerk, after such a how we all win our match. So the boy can't able to think that. The boy become very much surprised and was telling that we got win for me or for the ant. Okay, So this was the end of the story. You all read the story and listen this video very carefully. Now there is some meaning of the words. You will read the meanings. Okay.